In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to overlap images here in Canva. So as we can see, we have this design just here, and these images just here are actually overlapping this one just here. Now to do this, there's actually a couple of different ways. First of all, click onto the image that you want to move to the back, move to the front, or overlap. We're then going to right click, come down to layer just here, and then we have the option to bring forward, bring to the front, send backwards, or send to the back. So if we send backwards, we now have this image overlapping this one. Now that's one way that we can do this. Another way, again, is by clicking onto the image. We're going to come up to position just here. We're then going to click on there. We're going to click on layers next to arrange, and we have overlapping just here. Now by default it's going to be on all. It's going to highlight in the purple outline the image that we have clicked on just here, and this is where we can move around by grabbing it and just simply moving it up to where we want. So if we move that up here, it's now back to the front and overlapping this. Now if we click on the overlapping tab, we can actually see which images are overlapping which. So this one's overlapping that one, and it's overlapping this one as well. No, we're not. That is simply the background. But nonetheless, you can do that with images, elements, and fonts as well. So that's just how easy it is to overlap images here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.